Okay. Cute. Period. 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 So we should see very much body, yada, 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 yada. Okay. There the start of the show. And that's on who? Period. And that's it. Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Samil Jalisa, or you can just call me Samil. But in today's video, I have yet another haul for you guys, and yet another Lovely Wholesale haul for you guys. So thank you so much for Lovely Wholesale for partnering with your girls today for this video. Okay, so y'all know I'll be doing these Lovely Wholesale hauls. I'll be showing y'all what's tea and what's not tea. And y'all, it'd be some mixed reviews here with the Lovely Wholesale, but I'm gonna show y'all today what I got, and I'm gonna show y'all, like I said, what's tea and what's not tea. So let's hop right into the video. So I got some stuff right here, and I think that it would just be better to do a try on for you guys versus just me holding it up and showing the pieces. I don't know, I just feel like it just would be better that way. I don't know, but we're gonna do it that way. So I got a couple pieces here for y'all, and I'm gonna put the name and everything on the screen, and the direct link will be down in the description box for you guys if you do like the piece. I tried a good bit of it on, so y'all gonna see what I see. Okay, so let's just hop right into it, because yeah, I'm gonna try on the first piece. The first piece that we're trying on is going to be are these jeans. So they are like just regular black denim jeans, and kind of like on the thigh-ish knit portion you have these cutouts with these like ropes in them, and they're just like looped in. I've been seeing these jeans a lot, and I think they're so cute. I want to try them for myself. Once again, y'all see my hauls, y'all know I'm tall, I have long legs, so we will see if these jeans are toggle friendly. But yep, so these are gonna be the first ones that I try on for you guys. Okay y'all, so these are the first jeans. This is what they look like. I think they're so cute. They have like the cutouts right here. I just think they're adorable. They're just regular black jeans. They fit me perfect. I believe they're in a size small. So but y'all, look, so cute, so cute. So you just see. So I think these ones are super cute. Like y'all, they're very much fitting, they're very much showing off shape, all that good stuff. Like they're super cute. On the sides they have like the ties. I don't know if these are supposed to show or not. Like you see on this side they're showing. I don't know if they're supposed to show or are they supposed to be like tucked in, but you can tuck them in if that's your vibe. I think that's my vibe. I don't think I want them to show. But just regular black jeans, y'all, like super cute with like a twist on them. So I love these ones. So these ones get definitely a 10 out of 10 for me, because y'all, like, period, these are so cute. These are like definitely something you get off Fashion Nova. A really good dupe for any of these jeans, and these were just not expensive. Like super cute. I'm pretty sure the camera is just in a completely different spot. It's okay. It's okay. Okay, and the next pair of pants I'm gonna show you are these stacked sweats. And I really love these ones. They have pockets that actually work, so that's a plus, because why don't you want pockets that work? And they have the side pockets that also work. Super cute. Like you see like the side pocket right there, and they're supposed to be stacked. I wanted some gray ones because I love sweatpants and I just love neutrals, so I want to test out the gray ones, see what they're hitting on. They're so cute, and they're actually pretty soft. They're not like sweatpants that I normally buy. I normally get like really thick sweatpants, but they are thick and soft. They're just I feel like they would have needed like just one more like layer, but they're really soft and they're still thick. Like they're better quality than I thought they would be. So let's try these on. Okay, so these are the stacked sweats. These are so cute. They're really comfortable on, which I really like. They're so soft and they're pretty good thickness. I really do like them. And the drawstring actually works. You can tie it up, make it as tight as you want if it doesn't fit around your waist, but it definitely like hugs your waist. Like I wouldn't even need to use the drawstring. They're so cute. I love like the pocket on the side or whatever. And yeah, I wish I could really show you like how stacked they are. Let me stand on the chair. So you know, this is like the stacked, super cute. I'm on a chair, y'all. This is get up. Super stacked. Once again, I am like 5'7", maybe 5'8" on a good day, whatever. So they're still really stacked on me. So if they're stacked on me, sweetie, they're gonna be double stacked on anybody shorter than me. So yeah, I love these ones. These are so cute. Period. Okay, period. They're so adorable. I would wear it literally just like this with just like tank, any type of shirt, these, some shoes. It could be my Crocs, it could be my Uggs, it could be some Forces, it could be any type of shoe. I don't care. Like, cute. Period. Okay, so next we have this crew neck. It just says Los Angeles on it, California. I'm pretty sure this is supposed to be like the Pretty Little Thing dupe. I think this is from Pretty Little Thing. I don't like this one. I hate this material, like this polyester material, whatever. It looks, the print is exactly like the shirt, I believe, but I don't like this polyester material. This is not doing it for me. I like cotton, like sweatshirt, really thick sweatshirts, and this is just not it. But I like that the print is on it and everything. The print is very similar, but if you like this, then it's for you. But I just don't like this material. It's really like slinky and like I don't know, but I think the print itself is super cute. And a lot of people do like this material though. It's just a preference, so it's up to you. On the website though, it definitely tells you it's polyester. I definitely read polyester and I still bought it. Like, brain, use it. But yeah, everything, like, definitely look at your sizing, look at the size chart, everything. Take your measurements because everything is definitely what it is. Okay, it says polyester, or I think it's polyester. It said whatever it is, it says it on there. Okay, so period. So yeah, so we're just gonna try this on for you guys. It's really cute, honestly. It's really not that bad, and with this sweats, it's really like a chill fit, so I really don't hate it. It's really like an 8 out of 10 for me. I just wish it was cotton, just because I like cotton sweatshirts. But with these stacked sweatpants, it's just pretty chill. Like, I would wear this, like, just throw this on. So this is cute. I like it. I think I got it in a medium, not too sure. Like I said, links will be in the description. But yeah, so tell me how y'all feel about this one, because I want to know. But I like it. It's just simple. It's a simple sweatshirt. Okay, and next, y'all, is a 2-piece set. This to me doesn't look like the picture. I feel like everything looks like the picture. The sweatshirt was a little bit off just because of the material, but the graphic was the picture, in my opinion. This is a completely different color to me. I feel like the picture was more like a earth tone color, like a brown or like a caramel or something like that. This is like peach orange. Not to say this isn't a cute color. This is definitely a cute color, and I could definitely wear this, but I don't wear bright colors like this. Like, this is bright. I think it's cute with this hair, but I don't know. It's just super bright, but it's just a cropped turtleneck. Nothing really to it. but the bottoms don't look like the picture. I don't like that. I don't like, it has this band on it. Why? But we're gonna try it on. But yeah, like I said, it doesn't really like the picture to me, babes. It's not giving what it was supposed to have gave.
It's not even giving what y'all said it was supposed to give.
You know? So that's that on that. Okay, and now we are moving on to these, y'all. These are fire. These are fire. So I don't know if you guys follow her or anything, but I follow this girl on Instagram. Her name is Samaria Leah, and she definitely makes like all these denim pieces with like the ropes into them and everything like that, like jean jackets, jeans, and everything like that. I've been following her for so long, and I've been following her before she even created the brand, and I am in love with everything like she makes. But it's definitely on the higher end side. Like, her audience is in my tax bracket, period, basically. So I'm obsessed with her things, but I watch, I look from afar, I like on Instagram, I browse the website occasionally, but it's just okay. But I saw a dupe on Lovelywholesale, and I was very, 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 very curious to see what it would look like. I've seen dupes all the time, but one, my legs are long. Two, I didn't know how like quality was gonna be or anything like that, because they're just so like, they're so bomb, y'all. What? These are like black denim jeans with like the rope stitching on the back, y'all. These here. So I got these in a small, and they fit me perfectly. They stop at my ankle right exactly. So if you're shorter than me, you're shorter than 5'7", you will be really great on length. They stop right at my ankle, so I probably have to wear like high-waisted shoes. I'll probably have to wear like high-waist. I don't have to wear high top shoes like Vans. I mean, not Vans, I don't wear high top Vans. Converse or like some Docs or something like that. Like, you can wear that, that's the vibe. But y'all, it's such a cute dark denim, like a black denim. Oh my gosh. And then it has like the ropes. It came with black as well, so you get this really cute beige color and you get black. I like the beige. I think this is just so cute, like the contrast. Y'all, like, the only thing is, obviously, because it came with two, it didn't come looped, but it's not hard to loop, sweetie. If you could tie shoes, you can loop back of the pants. It's not hard. But that's one thing. And two, the hole didn't come cut, so I had to cut it myself. But like I said, just get like some scissors, snip it, and cut the hole. Kind of inconvenience, like it's kind of an inconvenience that you have to do that, but you do it 1, 2, and it's over with, and you never have to do it again. So it's not a problem, y'all. I got these in a small. These fit so good, y'all. So good. I love these. I love these pants. So we're gonna try these on for you, so I can show y'all like the tea behind these. Like, y'all, if y'all want a dupe of these, it's right here. It's these. If you want them a little baggy, definitely size up, because they fit me exactly. The measurements were my exact measurement, so I got a small. If you want them a little baggier, definitely size up. These are the jeans. Oh, they're so cute. I love these so much. And then the bag, you can see, has like the detailing and stuff like that. I'm trying to get closer. Oh, ciao. Gotta cut the dang light off. They said they literally touch my ankle. They are perfectly cute and they're perfectly the good length. So if you're shorter than me, they're gonna be like regular jeans on you, so don't fret. I love them. I love that I got the dark black denim instead of the regular jean. It was 2 different jean colors and then there was black, and I just like, my heart just wanted the black. Like, it just gravitated towards black. So I love these, y'all. Period. 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 So I would definitely wear this with just some type of simple shirt. Probably not this one, but like some simple shirts, some simple sneakers and everything, because the pants is the show, okay? They're the star of the show. And that's on who? Mary had a little lamb, period.
And that's on who? Mary had a little lamb. Okay.
Okay. Period. Period. Okay, so in this piece that we're getting into, I've seen this too on Instagram. I don't know who like the creator designer is or anything like that, but I've seen it, and when I saw it I was like, like I've seen this before. I think it's really cute. So it's kind of like one of those like inside out like reverse stitching pieces, like dresses. So it's like the it's like these little seams are like on the outside, like the inside of the shirt out, you know what I'm trying to say. You know what I'm trying to say. So, and it's like a really long dress. Y'all, this material will have you snatched. Okay, like this is, it's gonna beat your body up. Okay, this material is not coming to play. Like, it's so tight and so stretchy. I got this in a small as well, I believe. It's going to suck you up. You don't even need a waist trainer. This is her. Okay, period. Because this is like tight. But like a good tight. Like a, I'm about to go out and tight. Okay, so we're going to try this one on and see what this is hitting on. Okay, y'all. So for some reason, I forgot to film this clip. So I'm filming it now. I just woke up. But yeah, so this dress is giving very much by and yeah, I'm not gonna say too much, y'all, because the dress is speaking for itself. But yes, this is her. Very much 10 out of 10. They did what they had to do with this one, period. So I love the outward stitching. Like, this is so cute. It has a hood on it. It goes all the way down to your calves, period. Enough said. Alright, babes, thank you guys so much for watching my video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this haul. Let me know what you thought about the pieces. Was it hit or miss? Like, is it worth it to you? Like, was the expectation the reality? Let me know. I think this haul was pretty good. I like the pieces. I definitely love the jeans. Like, all the bottoms I got were 10 out of 10. So, and the dress was definitely 10 out of 10. It was just a little snug, but it was cute. So let me know how you felt about everything. Let me know if you will be ordering off of Lovelywholesale, which you're getting. Okay, period. So thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and I'll talk to you guys in my next one. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like this video, and share it with your mama and your daddy. Period.